Mastering Idioms, Understanding Cut the Mustard. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, cut the mustard. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's widely used in English-speaking countries to express a very specific idea. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Cut the mustard is an idiom that means to meet the required standard or to be good enough for something. When someone says that something cuts the mustard, they mean that it satisfies the necessary conditions or lives up to the expected standards. It's often used in contexts where there's a question of whether a person or thing can fulfill certain expectations. The origins of cut the mustard are somewhat unclear, but it's believed to have emerged in the United States in the late 19th or early 20th century. There are several theories about how the phrase came about, with some suggesting it relates to the difficulty of harvesting mustard plants, which requires a sharp tool to effectively cut the mustard. However, the more likely explanation is that it plays on the idea of mustard as a strong and potent condiment, implying that to cut the mustard, one must be equally strong or capable. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at a few examples. In job performance, despite his efforts, he just doesn't cut the mustard as a sales manager. In quality assessment, this essay doesn't cut the mustard. You'll need to provide more detailed arguments. In personal abilities, I tried to finish the marathon, but I just couldn't cut the mustard. Using cut the mustard in your conversations can add a playful and idiomatic flair, making your English sound more natural and fluent. Now that you're familiar with cut the mustard, why not try using it yourself? Here are a few practice sentences to get you started. Do you think this old car can still cut the mustard on a long road trip? I've been training for months, but I'm not sure if I'll cut the mustard in the upcoming competition. Remember, the best way to master idioms is to use them in context, so don't be shy to incorporate cut the mustard into your English conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, cut the mustard. We hope this video has given you a good understanding of what it means, its origins, and how you can use it. English is full of interesting idioms like this one, and learning them can be both fun and rewarding. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that idioms can really spice up your language skills, much like mustard itself. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.